In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money from Wise in Philippines. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up the right payment details inside the Wise app so someone can send money to you quickly and safely. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date so everything looks as described. If you have multiple balances, that's fine. You'll still follow the same flow here. Next, tap Add Money. This might feel a bit counterintuitive when you're trying to receive funds, but this option is how Wise shows you the bank transfer instructions that a sender will use. Think of it as telling Wise, show me how someone can fund this balance. Enter the amount. You can type any amount that reflects what you expect to receive. This number helps Wise calculate an example of fees and exchange rates if they apply, but it doesn't lock you into that amount. The sender can still transfer the exact figure you've agreed on. The important part is that entering an amount gets you to the screen with the correct instructions. Select the currency you want to receive. If you're in the Philippines and want the money to arrive in Philippine pesos, choose PHP. If your sender is paying you in a different currency, like USD or EUR, select that currency so Wise shows the corresponding account details. The currency you pick determines which banking network and details become available, so choose the one that matches how the sender will pay you. Tap Continue. Wise will now display the transfer details for that currency. Depending on the currency, you may see local account details, international, SWIFT details, or both. You'll typically see an account name, an account or IBAN number, a bank code or routing code, and sometimes a reference. Carefully review what appears on screen so it matches what your sender expects to use. Finally, copy the details. Use the copy buttons on each line or the dedicated copy option to avoid typos. Share these details with your sender exactly as shown and remind them to include any reference code if one is listed. This helps Wise match the transfer to your balance. For your privacy, only share these details with the person sending you money. Once the sender makes the transfer, processing time will vary by currency and bank. You'll receive a notification in the app when the money lands. And that's it. Simple, clear, and ready for you to receive money with Wise in the Philippines.